welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, we are going to be making a Greek burger. I guess you can call it a Greek burger. So to start, you're going to need some hamburger patties, of course, some feta cheese, some hamburger buns, any ones of your choice. I in particularly love these hamburger buns. They're so good and buttery. Some arugula, some mozzarella cheese, some provolone cheese, some Himalayan salt, paprika, and this is my seasoning. Stay tuned for that. I do have my seasonings dropping at some point. Don't hold me to it right now, but for some point it will be dropping. And then for your toppings, some onions, some tomatoes, avocados, and bacon. And here Daniel comes. So let's get it. I'm going to be cooking the egg. Just need some butter, and you can put the egg on if you want. The egg is totally optional. So with the egg, the only thing that I'm going to do is just fry the egg, nothing special at all, but I will still crack it with you guys and show you. How y'all doing today? Hope you guys are doing great. It's a couple of days after Memorial Day. Hope you guys had a great holiday. Remember the soldiers and all the people in the force that gave their lives to people they didn't know, like you and me. Okay, and you guys, of course I will forget an ingredient. You're going to need sour cream as well, because we're going to be making an avocado sauce for the burger, y'all. It's going to be so yummy. Okay, y'all, so I'm just going to go ahead and crack my egg. Then to that, I'm going to just put some salt and pepper. You guys probably don't want to see this warm part, so I'm going to speed the process up. So it's time to flip it. Now my husband likes eggs on his burgers, so this is for him. I don't like eggs on my burgers. And if I did like eggs on burgers, I wouldn't like it runny, but he loves it runny. So this is, of course, going to be for him. So I have this little grill pan right here. Don't feel like you need to go out and buy a grill pan like that, of course. Just use what you have, honestly. I'm just doing it for the grill marks. Okay, so I'm starting with some pepper here. Okay, put some pepper on both sides, because you don't want it to be just seasoned on one side. Yes, sir. Okay. Then I'm gonna do some paprika, y'all. I told y'all every time I do my videos, there he comes. Okay, so I'll put some paprika, and then this is my onion and garlic seasoning. Okay, my onion and garlic seasoning. Okay, alright, and I'm actually going to go ahead and put it on right now. Okay, so I have my heat on medium high, and I'm gonna just cook it to your liking. My husband likes his medium well, so make sure you're cooking it at a safe eating temperature, guys. Got some Himalayan salt. Okay, so cook it at your discretion for what you want. Okay, and then I'm gonna see y'all back in. Guys, so my burger is done, and see I have it medium well. Still has a little bit of nasty old blood in there, but that's how my husband likes it. So let's go ahead and make the avocado sauce. So let's go ahead and get into the sauce. So get you a nice ripe avocado. Just squeeze it all in the bowl. I'm gonna use the whole thing. Okay. Squeeze it all in the bowl. Get all that avocado out. Okay. Every drop, y'all. Okay. And then, normally I don't do this, but today I'm gonna use a potato mashed potato masher. Okay. Just to speed the process up of things. Okay. You can use a fork. You don't have to use this. Okay. So I still want mine to be a little chunky. So to that, just add a little bit of Himalayan salt. Hit it with a little bit of pepper. Okay. Then we're gonna hit it with just a little bit of lime, y'all. I didn't tell y'all was gonna need that either. Hit it with a little bit of lime. Okay. Alright. So after you hit it with some lime, what you want to do is put in 2 scoops of your feta cheese. Yes, this burger has 3 different types of cheese. I actually took my mozzarella out because I want to do cheddar cheese instead. And that was 3 scoops of feta cheese. Okay? Then I'm just going to put a little bit of garlic. I say about a half a teaspoon of garlic in there. Okay, mix that up really well, and then at this point you're going to want to squeeze in about a cup of your sour cream, or a half a cup of sour cream. And this, you guys, is such a delicious, easy avocado sauce that I came up with. Oh my god, y'all, it's so creamy and so good. Taste test that. That's exactly what I'm looking for, y'all. So refreshing. Oh my goodness. Okay. So in the same pan, because we're not going to be using 30 different pans to do no cooking, what you want to do is just butter your bun. So you're going to get some butter. Use the real butter now. Country crock and all of that other stuff, that's margarine. That's not butter, y'all. Use the real stuff. Okay? My butter's kind of hard, but it'll soften out. Okay? Put your bun down. Butter this side. As soon as it heats up, then you can spread it out. Okay? So I just want the grill marks, really. So I'm gonna put half of the mozzarella, half of the provolone here, and then there, and then we're gonna use the other side of the cheddar. We're gonna let that go ahead and melt, y'all. Let these buns get toasted. See how toasted that is? Let it toast for just a little bit more, y'all. Then we're gonna go ahead and build this burger, guys. So let's go ahead and build this burger. So I have my avocado sauce at the bottom, and be generous with it, y'all. Now this is gonna be a double decker because it's for my husband. Just got off of work and we're hungry, right? So then after we put that, we're gonna put down 1 burger. Okay? Then we're going to put on some arugula. I'll make sure that that's stay on there. Then to the arugula, we're going to put on 1, 2 tomatoes. Okay? Then we're going to put on 3 onions. 3 onion rings or more. If you want more onion rings, that's cool too. Okay? Then we're going to put on our bacon. Then to that bacon, we're going to put on that egg. Woo! She's trying to lose me, y'all. She's trying to lose me. Alright? Then after that, we're going to put on another burger, y'all. Oh my God. This looks good. It's trying to lose me. Alright? And then to that, y'all, we're going to put some spread on the top of your bun. Again, be generous with it. Because you want your burger to be nice and creamy. Okay? And then you got to secure the burger. Just make sure you put a toothpick right down the middle. And she ain't going nowhere, y'all. She ain't going nowhere. Okay? And there we have it, y'all. A Greek burger. Look at that. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious quick videos. Until next time, my creators, believe in yourself